This place in Santa Cruz makes gravity feel broken. Balls roll uphill, water flows the wrong way, and people stand at impossible angles. Is this real or just an illusion? Come and join us as we explore the mystery spot and find out. Located in the redwood forests of Santa Cruz, California, the mystery spot is one of the strangest and most famous tourist attractions in the state. People come here from all over the world to experience something that seems to defy gravity and even logic. So what makes the mystery spot so well known? Inside this small circular area, things just don't behave the way you expect. People appear to lean at impossible angles, balls roll uphill, and your sense of balance feels completely off. The mystery spot was discovered in 1939 by a group of surveyors and its founder George Prather, who were working in the Santa Cruz Mountains. While they were measuring the land, they noticed something strange. Their instruments weren't giving normal readings, and they felt a strange sensation, almost like being pulled or pushed in different directions. Curious about what was going on, they marked off a small circular area, about 150 feet in diameter, where these unusual effects seemed to happen. A few years later, the site was developed into a tourist attraction, and the tilted cabin you see today was built to highlight these strange effects. Since then, millions of visitors have come to experience the mystery spot for themselves. Even today, while scientists explain it as an optical illusion, the original discovery still leaves people wondering, what did those surveyors actually experience back in 1939? One important thing to know, you need to book your tickets in advance. Spots fill up quickly, especially on weekends, so make sure to reserve your time before you go. Right at the entrance, there's a nice seating area where families can relax before or after their tour. You'll also find a small outdoor cafe and picnic garden, perfect for grabbing a quick snack, soda, or treat. It's a great spot to sit down, take a break, and enjoy the atmosphere before heading into the mystery. Once your tour time arrives, your guide will call your group and lead you up a steep hill into the forest. As you make your way up, they'll start sharing the history of the mystery spot, how it was discovered, and why it continues to confuse visitors even today. They'll also prepare you for what you're about to experience, because once you enter, things start to feel very different. Now watch this. The ball actually rolls uphill. What looks like it should go down somehow moves in the opposite direction. Your brain tells you one thing, but your eyes are seeing something completely different. And this is one of the moments that leaves everyone questioning what's really going on here. Even when the tour guide pours water, it appears to flow uphill. Something that should follow gravity suddenly doesn't. Now, this is where things get really confusing. People start leaning at impossible angles without falling. It looks like they should tip over, but somehow they stay perfectly in place. And then it gets even stranger when two people switch positions. One suddenly looks much taller, and the other looks shorter. But in reality, nothing about their height has changed. As you walk out of the mystery spot, everything slowly starts to feel normal again. But honestly, your mind is still trying to process everything you just experienced. Right before you leave, you'll pass through the gift shop, where you can grab souvenirs, snacks, and fun keepsakes to remember your visit. It's a nice little stop to wrap up the experience before heading back down. So, is it really magnetic forces or a gravity anomaly? There's actually no scientific proof of any unusual magnetic or gravitational force in this area. Most experts believe the effects are caused by clever design, tilted structures, and optical illusions that trick your brain. But when you're inside, it definitely feels real. From our experience, being inside the cabin felt very strange. We felt dizzy, lightheaded, and almost pulled in different directions. Even something as simple as walking straight became a challenge. So, is the mystery spot worth visiting? It's not a huge attraction, but it's definitely one of the most unique and memorable experiences you'll find. Whether you believe it's science or just clever illusion, it's something both kids and adults will enjoy. And just when you think the experience is over, there's actually more to explore. Right past the mystery spot, you'll find Bud and Emma's trail, where the adventure continues into the redwood forest. The trail starts near the picnic and seating area by the mystery spot and takes you through the redwood forest around the property. It's a relatively short hike, around 30 minutes to an hour depending on pace, and it loops through scenic trees, eucalyptus groves, and hillside views. Along the way, there are educational signs about local plants and wildlife, and there's even a small picture platform viewpoint area. The trail is considered pretty family-friendly overall, although there are some short, steep sections. If you're planning to explore Bud and Emma's trail, there are a few things to know. Dogs are welcome, as long as they're kept on a leash. The trail is open year-round, so you can visit any time during the season. And while the trail itself is free, parking at the mystery spot may still apply. you're visiting with kids, this trail is generally safe and family-friendly. The path is easy to follow, and most of it is manageable for younger kids. But there are a few short, steep sections, so you'll want to keep an eye on them. Overall, it's a nice and easy hike for families who want to explore a little more nature after the mystery spot. So, after experiencing the mystery spot and exploring Bud and Emma's trail, you really get a mix of something unique and something relaxing, all in one place. From gravity-defying illusions inside the cabin to a peaceful walk through the redwood forest. So, is it worth visiting? If you're looking for something fun, different, and family-friendly, this is definitely worth checking out. If you enjoy discovering unique places like this with your family, make sure to hit subscribe. We explore places so you don't waste your time or money. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next adventure.